That's what we're doing. The child is rolling this cart. Look at him go. Just odd. Look at the child. Look at him go. Alright, we're out of here. Cashing out. Check it out. Cashing in my chip. Quick. We switched to a full cart. Appreciate it, Meyer. Thanks. Full cart of Nerf. Walking out to the sunshine. Boy! What's up, guys? A little snippet here at another Meyer, and we are getting clearance ink. Just a stacks and stacks of them. It's probably, I don't know. Let's see. We'll just show you these real quick. 75% off, right? So $9.50. Look at this, 90% off, $2.20. Get out of here, man. Look at that one, $2.20, right? So it's crazy. It's crazy good deals. All right, we're out of here. This is just a quick little nonsense. I'll just throw it in with one of the videos. Maybe a truck talk or something. Reseller talk, I mean. All right. Oh. All right, bye. So guys, we've got a few more items. We picked up a little Batman, some Hot Wheels, 75% off. Got those that I already showed you, some purse pets, the Harry Potter, and we got a Grogu, the child, a big one. So, and that one is, I don't know, $18.75 or something, going for $59 or $63 or something like that. So, $20 plus profit. And, that's what we're doing. The child is rolling this cart. Look at him go. Just odd. Look at the child. Look at him go. Alright, we're out of here. Cashing out. Check it out. Cashing in my chips. Peace. This thing's got a wicked pull to the right.